10 contract or fake marriage forced living Thai lacrons. Contract and forced living dramas have their own place in the drama world. I have listed out 10 dramas that you can binge watch right now. To watch these dramas with English subtitles, check out the links in the description below. Before getting into the video, if you want more content like this, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates.
ฉันก็อยากจะรู้เหมือนกันว่าจะเก่งสู้ฉันได้หรือเปล่า
Number 1 in our list is My Husband-in-Law. This lacron is sweet and hilarious. May is a young and talented girl who has been crushing over Thane for 7 years, who is oblivious to her feelings. She enters into a contract marriage with him when his mother forces him to marry her. He teases and humiliates her, even knowing her feelings for him. But when she decides to leave him, he is not ready to leave her. Number 2. Sapai Import. Lisa is a rich and spoiled girl who has a graduate from England. When she returns to Thailand, she finds that her parents are in debt. Don is the grandson of a famous farmer. When his grandfather dies, he promises that Don would be the next successor if he marries and gives birth in 1 year. Don's mom loves Lisa, so they are forced to marry each other. The chemistry between the leads is worth the watch. Number 3. Lee Rattray. This drama has just 12 episodes with a possessive male lead and a contract relationship with steamy moments. Love and hate is what the drama is all about. Kate's father stole money from Sake's company and Sake starts searching for him. Kate's father decides to sell his daughter for the debt. Sake gradually falls in love with Kate, but when ex-wife returns, things get complicated.
ดิฉันกับท่านประธานก็เลยมาที่นี่ค่ะจ้ะพอดีจะบอกแล้วกินข้าวไอ้นั่นมา
Number 4 in our list is You're My Destiny, an accidental pregnancy story where a rich businessman gets drugged and sleeps with a cute innocent girl. He is forced to marry her when he finds out she is pregnant. He gradually falls in love with her, but things get complicated when his girlfriend returns. This T-drama is the remake of the Korean drama Fated to Love You. Number 5. Full House, a cheesy romantic lacron that gets you into the Mike fan club. A writer enters into a contract marriage with a famous actor to get her house back, but love creeps into the couple, leaving us with romantic moments and kisses.
คุณแคนนี่เธอเป็นคุณเคนคะฉันกับคุณนะคุณพูดแบบนี้ก็เท่ากับคุณดูถูกฉันนะผมก็พูดตามสิ่งที่ผมเห็นน่ะแต่สิ่งที่
Number 6. When I Marry a Stranger. May is engaged to Sarun, but he left her on the day of their wedding. Cade, a businessman who's waiting for his bride, sees her escape with another man. Cade and May, still in their wedding dress, start drinking together and jokingly proposes to her. They spend the night together, and when they wake up in the morning, May wants to leave everything behind, but Cade is not ready to leave her.
ได้
อ๋อ นี่คุณหมายถึงเรื่องบนเตียงคืนแล้ว ผมจะอยู่รอดปลอดภัย
Number 7 in our list is when a man loves a woman. Satyavart is a doctor and Anusanya is the daughter of the owner of a wealthy company. Satyavart's mother owes a lot of money to the company, hence decides to marry off Satyavart to Anusanya in order to erase the debt. When this arranged marriage blossoms into love, misunderstandings keep the couple apart. Number 8. Pajivarada, a cute and a sweet girl, promises to disguise herself as a real daughter and marry the cold-hearted guy named Saran to show gratitude to her father. Although Saran knows that the family has deceived him, he is not ready to leave his bride. They both fall in love with each other and overcome obstacles together.
มาค่ะ ตอบทุกคำถามที่ทุกคนสงสัย แต่ถ้าไม่ตอบนะคะ ก็ดื่มหมด
ความจริงกับกฎตัดคู่แข่งไปก่อนเลย
คนเมาไม่โกหก
Number 9. Sand Princess. If you are a fan of love triangles, this one is for you. Kuntipa is an orphan who befriends Chirapat, the son of rich household. She accepts money from him to help him with his chores. When Chirapat impregnates a girl, he gives money to Kuntipa and tells her to raise the baby. Chirapat's elder brother gets to know this and marries her to save family's reputation. Torn between the brothers, her love gets tested. Ow!
เอาแค่เหตุการณ์เมื่อคืนนะ
The last one in our list is My Secret Bride. Som, a mischievous girl, has a crush on Dhanurut, who is a cop. Som is asked to become a spy for the police by an undercover officer. Dhanurut misunderstands Som to be ex-mistress, who is his cousin's fiancée. He decides to get into a contract marriage with her but did not expect to fall in love with her.